Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jiten and I am a rising junior at the University of Arizona. In this video, we will be talking about two software applications which I personally use and I just love it. It's really important to learn them and it's really helpful to know about them because they can save time and they can help us manage so much work and so much things that it's unbelievable. This is the best time to learn something new and experiment something because you can get your hands dirty and experiment and learn new softwares which will eventually add up time to your life and save valuable amounts of workload in future. Without any further ado, let's get started with this video. The first software which I would recommend everyone to use is called Alfred. It is basically like a small software which is kind of a replacement to the Spotlight feature which Apple offers. So it saves microseconds for you, when you Google something or when you are looking for a file in your folder. If you know which file you want to find, just type in the file name and you get your file. Instead of the Spotlight, or you just go and click on a single file and then you are getting that file. Saves up microseconds. But when you combine these microseconds into months or years or 5 years, you can see there's a drastic amount of time which you can save. So now if you are a Windows user or someone who is not on Apple devices, you should use the Windows search engine, the Windows start button, I would say. Isn't that what it's called? I don't know, but it is the Windows start button. So that will help you to save time and to get more productive at your work desk. It is really interesting and you can customize this whole Alfred thing, and you can have keywords which can give you specific results. For example, you can just type in sleep, or you can just type in shutdown, or you can just type Amazon and then look up for a product instead of going to the website and then typing Amazon and then searching in the Amazon website. You can also do YouTube searches wherein you can find me up at Jitendra Ben, and you can subscribe my channel and like my channel. Moving forward, the second app which I would recommend to every user or everyone watching this video is Notion. So Notion is kind of that all-rounded, well-purposed note-taking app. It is absolutely free. A couple of months back, it was chargeable, but now it's completely free. It replaces so many apps you might take use of. For example, the Google Docs, the Trello, and other software applications. It replaces so much that it's so hard to get all of the features of Notion in just one short video. Though I'm planning on to do some how-tos and really good template videos in the future, but as of now, Notion is my favorite and the best note-taking app which anyone can use. In Notion, you can customize many things. You can use so many different templates to manage your personal time, personal routines, or you can track habits. You can do almost anything with Notion because you can create customized formulas in Notion. You can create unlimited blocks of information, and then you can also share it with people, so it becomes really easy to just share your ideas and just jot them down into one application. Though there are other applications which are really good, but Notion is the Wikipedia. It is the hub which serves all the purpose of an essential note-taking app which you can use on a daily basis. Notion has their own website, so you can either download their app on your device, your phones or your Macs, or you can just start using Notion on your browser. It's that easy. I've been using Notion for a couple of months now, and I really enjoy the experience of taking notes and dividing your ideas into different categories. You can have different tables, you can have the calendar view. There's endless possibilities with Notion. You can embed a YouTube video or a specific quote or something. It's a really pleasurable note-taking app. Well, on the other hand, I've been using Alfred for quite a time now. It's like over an year or something, and it's like the most important software that you should be using on your computer. It literally saves me milliseconds, but super productive whenever I'm like using it. And I'm looking more forward towards like other apps and other things to try it out and just share it with you all. One more important thing. These softwares are only like technology boosters. They have the capability to enhance your productivity. You can use these apps to just improve or like boost your productivity because these apps are really good. That's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm signing off from this one. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all in the next one. Until then, take care.